welcome back to the final day of the Big Five 2019. Before you head off to enjoy the last of the talks on solar, architecture, urban design and stone, let's take a look back at some of the key moments from day 3. The second edition of the Future Tech Construction Summit took a look into the future of building and construction. A digital world where artificial intelligence, AR and VR, drones, 3D printing, IoT and BIM all come together to create smart homes and smart buildings. Up-and-coming startups went head-to-head at the pitch competition, presenting to potential investors their innovative products, which will no doubt disrupt the construction industry. The Big Five Women in Construction Forum and Awards address the need to include gender diversity in the workplace and celebrate successful women who are changing the game and who are inspiring others. The forum also hosted an official certificate ceremony for the companies who came together and endorsed the Women Empowerment Principles, which is an initiative driven by the UN Global Compact and UN Women. Over at the Urban Design and Landscape Expo, a day-long summit focused on the interaction between urban development, landscape design and green spaces to promote a greener, healthier and more sustainable environment. Topics covered water preservation, playgrounds and how urban design contributes to people's happiness. At the Big Five Heavy, leaders came together to discuss geospatial emerging technologies at the Geospatial Leaders Conference. The penultimate day of the Big Five welcomed thousands of visitors and exhibitors coming together to meet, learn and innovate. For a final roundup on the Big Five news, keep checking in on the website and our social media channels. In the meantime, we hope you've enjoyed your time here at this special 40th anniversary edition of the Big Five. And of course, we look forward to welcoming you back in 2020.